Hello traders, I know that you have used so many RSI strategies into the past, but today I'm going to show something really new that is going to amaze you because this strategy is very powerful and has very great results and also used by the professional traders. So our conversation will be on RSI today, and before we start our conversation on the video, please subscribe FX Mentor. And secondly, if you want to join the best broker, the link is given in the description of this video below. Okay, so we will be using the only one indicator in this strategy that is called RSI 3 graph. Okay, so I repeat RSI 3 graph, and you can see 3 RSI in one window, and that is by Ducks. And you can see only few of the traders are using it because they are just professionals. They are not the newcomers into the forex market. They know about the worth of this indicator, right? Okay, now you can see that I have attached the indicator on my screen, but this is not enough because we want some big changes and some interesting changing in this indicator. So that's why I'm going into the settings of this indicator, right? So inside the input, you can see that these are the by default lengths. If your version is getting the different lengths, then you can set up it to 24, 14, 9, and 30. However, this is by default at my side, and they are working very nice, right? Okay, the second thing that we need to change is you can see at the top time 24 and time 14. So we will uncheck both of them because we do not want them on our screen, right? And we have three options here: upper line, and lower line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a white color to the upper line, and the second upper line I'm going to give it a white color, and the lower line as well I'm going to give it a white color. Okay, so now I'm going to press OK. No, sorry, we need one more change, and that is you can see that we have at the end plots backgrounds. So I'm going to uncheck the last two plot backgrounds on our chart, and now our setup is completely ready, and you can see this is how it should look on your screen. And that's why I have made the video a bit slow when I was talking about the settings tab, so that everyone can copy my settings, right? Okay, the second thing that you should be using Hikanashi. It's a good thing that if you do not use the normal candles, these candles looks much better, and they also give us some sort of trend reversal, right? Okay, the strategy is very simple. I will not take your much time. As you can see here on the levels that we have a 20 to 80 level. So you will take your position either at the lowest oversold or at the top overbought. Okay, so try your best not to take the entry on this line, the top white line. So better let it go into the upward side and take the entry as much as far you can, so that you can have a very good entry in that scenario, right? So for example, the entry scene comes here that you can see the RSI graph will change its red color. Now I'm going to take the risk and reward ratio here. So let's say we have received a sell signal here, and after the second candle, because first candle turned into the red color by Hikanashi, and you have taken the entry from the second candle, you will set up the stop loss at the previous high of the market, and let's see that how much we were able to catch from this trade. If we compare it with this, then you can see easily you were able to catch 5.72 ratio from that trade, right? And later on, what happened? Let's talk about the long position here. The RSI turned green, so I'm just giving the example right from here. So you will set up the stop loss at the previous low. So let's say that how much you can easily make from that trade. So set up it like this. So if we compare this chart, then you can see very easily you were able to catch 4.98 ratio here, right? Here we have a losing sell. Okay, you can see that here just two candles went down, but later on they all moved into the upward direction. So this is your stop loss case. If you see that again Hikanashi has turned into the green color, so you will not sit and watch your trade. What you will do, you will immediately exit from your trade. So here you can see the Hikanashi turned red. So you have taken the entry from the start of the second candle. So let's set up a stop loss for this at the previous high of the candle. And then if we go down, then you were able to catch like 2.94 ratio on that trade. So guys, overall you can use this strategy in forex, crypto, whatever the market you are dealing in, you can use this strategy because the strategy is very, very powerful, definitely, for sure. And this is not a time frame bound strategy. You can use any time frame for best results. You can consult 5 minute, 15 minute, they will be definitely coming because this strategy is very good. And the one thing that I would like to say here in addition, that if you just want to take the signals with the trend, only if you are interested that you just want the with trend signals, then use the moving average exponential. So for example, this is the moving average exponential without any author. I'm going to give it a yellow color to the EMA, and inside the inputs I'm going to change 9 to 200, and then if I press OK, now you will see the setup will be more good, that below the 200 EMA it's a sell trend, and above the 200 EMA you can only take buy position. So this is also, you can do a trend following. However, if I remove that indicator, that is also fine, because overall the strategy is working very good. Even we do not need the EMA for it. Okay, so it's just for your guidance that if you want to just trade the trend taking signals, then you can follow the 200 EMA. So guys, what do you think about this strategy? Please let me know into the comment section, and moreover, please like the video, subscribe FX Mentor US, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.